This conference will now be recorded.
Hello guys, in today's session we are going to see configuration related to personnel action, that means action related to employee, whether it is related to hiring, promotion. And for that, what are the requirements, how to configure info groups? We have to configure info groups as well. So we'll see some theoretical part first. In SAP personnel action, that allows user to maintain employees master data, that allows us to maintain master data using set of relevant info types. So we can use relevant info types for what? To sequentially maintain one after other. So all whatever the info types we have maintained in info groups, that will come one by one at the time of hiring action. You will get a better understanding when you configure it practically. I will show you there. And in every personal action, there is a corresponding reason for that action, which provides further detail on action used. For example, hiring action, the reason of action, maybe replace or a new hire, that is. So let me quickly show you the configuration. First, you need to navigate to SPRO, then SAP reference IMG. Go to personal management. Execute this. In personal management, you have to go to personal administration here. Execute this. In PA further, you have to click on customizing procedures. And customizing procedures are here. You have to execute this. In customizing procedures, first navigate to actions. Actions. Execute this. In action, first option, you have to define info groups. Execute this. And one pop-up window is there, and you have to select user group dependency on menus and info group. Click on that. And first, check here which serial number is available. Already 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 is remaining here. We'll try to give a menu serial number 6 to our hiring, that means action. Click on new entries and try to give code 06 and give a name of your hiring action. For identification purpose, I have given my company's short code VI and hiring. HI hiring. Click on user group dependency. Reference group, select 0 and save your entry. Click on continue. Your data was saved. So we have given a code 06 or serial number, you can say that, for VI hiring. Click on back. So you will see here on 6, serial number 6, our hiring action is there. Click on back. And now if there is any changes or any info group modifier is there, you have to click on user info group modifier. And if you don't have info group modifier, you can directly skip this step as well. And now for the time being, I'll show you how to configure that. Click on employee subgroups, click on create, and select your employee type, means employee subgroup type, whatever we have configured. For BI industry, employee subgroup is CC. If you remember, employee subgroup is CC for salaried employee. That is, select this, click on continue, again click on salaried employee, click on create, and give a return value which is blank. Keep, if you don't have any changes, you will keep as it is blank. Click on transfer. Now save. Okay, already this value has been, someone has given. So in similar way, you have to save, check, and activate. Someone has used this code. This is our code, our configuration, but someone has created configuration on behalf of us. So don't worry. So double configuration is not possible here. So let me just delete here, which is already present. So you have to save, check, and activate. You can follow these steps and do further configuration. The next option is Infogroup. Click on Infogroup and click on this drop down and select your hiring which we have recently created, that is 6 BI hiring. Click on continue, and in this is a screen related to infotypes and hiring action. This is called as Infogroup, and in Infogroup we can maintain all the infotypes which are required for personnel action, whether it is hiring action or any other kind of transfer or termination, any kind of action. We need some series of maintain a series of infotypes which is required for to execute this action. And in all these infotypes will come one by one at the time of hiring when you execute in PA40. So that screen will be open one by one as per the sequence you maintain here in Infotype, and you have to maintain the data for that, and after that your hiring action will execute. So let me show you. Click on new entries, select user group 0. You don't have any info group modifier, keep blank, and in this N option give serial number 1. Let me tell you, you have to maintain almost 18 info types here to execute a hiring action. So to execute hiring action, there are 18 info types which are required. Now for hiring action, INS is code. So if you want to see what is meant by INS, you can check here. INS is to create. We are going to create an employment record. So which actions we infotypes we require? First we require 0000, and if you click on enter, the info text will be automatically displayed here. Just let me just click on enter. See, you will get results here. So info type 0 is for action. So similarly, you have to maintain 80 info types which is required. Let me just quickly enter all these info types, and if you want to quickly enter previous values in that column, you can select backspace or on your keyboard. So previous value will be here. Select quickly from this, and now next info type required is 1. 1 is for organization assignment. And next, Infotype 2 is also required for personal data. Infotype 6 to maintain the address details of that employee. Infotype 7, that is planned working time. Now Infotype 8, that is basic pay of that employee. We need to maintain that. Infotype 9, bank details. Now we have to maintain Infotype 14, which is recurring payment and deduction. Fifteen is for additional payment. 16 is contract element. 17 is for travel privilege. 21 is family member and dependent details. 22 is education details. 23 is for previous employer details. 33, Infotype number 33, that is statistics. And next, 41, that is date specification. And 17 numbers, that is 0171 Infotype, which is for general benefits that employee. And the last, 2006 absence quotas. So whatever these 18 values or 18 infotypes I have grouped in this info group. So whenever you are executing hiring action under this PI hiring, so all these screen will be entered one by one. First, when you execute action, hiring action, first screen will appear organization assignment. Once you enter the data of that organization assignment, the next screen will be personal data. Similarly, all these screens will come one by one, and then you complete last screen, that is 2006. Let me just read 2006. Then your employee will get hired in PA40. You will execute this hiring action in PA40. Now let me save this. Click on back. Again click on back. Close this. Now you have to set up a personnel action to execute this. Click on personnel action type. Here you have to click on new entries. Here you can give a code for your action for identification purpose. I will give VI. You can give any numeric code as well. And give a name of your hiring. In FC, you have to maintain one customer specification, click blank. In next employment section, you have to enter 3. Specification section, you have to enter 1, keep check blank, and select these check boxes. P, that is position. Next, P is for personnel area. E is for employee group. Next is for employee subgroup. Here is info group. Browse this and you will get your info group with whatever we have created now. That is VI hiring, and keep this blank. Click on U, click on second U, and here you will have one country reassignment. Do not click on that, keep as it is. And now enter and save your values. This is a setup of personal action, and let me show you further configuration. Now you have to create a reason for your personal action. Next option is create a reason for personal action. Why you are going to uh, execute this action? You have to maintain a reason. Now select here your action, whatever action you have created. We have created action with the code VI. If you want to see here, VI is our action, and now we are going to take a hiring action. For hiring, whatever the reasons we can maintain. First reason is whether it's new position, type new position. This is totally based on customers requirement. Whatever customer want to maintain a reason here. So as per customer's instruction, we can maintain. Whether this hiring is for new position, whether this hiring is for expansion purpose or replacement of any employee, or for any new project is there. If any new project is there, there will be hiring. So I have maintained 4 basic reasons for hiring action. Click on enter, you will get name of your action automatically here, and save your reasons. Click on back, and the next configuration is change action menu. You can click on change action menu. Further click on action menu, where select from this drop down option, that is action first. Click on continue, where you will get a list of actions which is displayed in PA40. Let me show you in PA40 how action screen will look like. So I'll type PA40 here. So these are the list of hiring actions related to hiring or change of position and their sequence. So whenever you want to execute action, you will see this kind of sequence. And now if you want to see your action on first place, you have to select that in change action menu. Now on first place, MI hiring is visible, displayed. So I would like to change the sequence. So what I will do in change action menu, I'll select on first place my hiring action. Let me just browse here. my hiring action, that is VI hiring. Select that, click on enter and save your value. Click on continue. Your data was saved. Now let me show you in PA40. So for that you need to first go to back, and then again you have to enter PA40 transaction box. Now if you observe here, initially EMI hiring is on first place. Now VI hiring is highlighted here. So this is the way. So your data was saved. Click on back, close this. And the last configuration, define reason for your personnel action. Click on new entries and click on this drop down option. Search your action here. VI hiring. VI hiring is my action, and select action reason. Whatever we have created, 1, 2, 3, 4, we have created 4 reasons. You have to just select your code of your action reason, action here, and reasons, reason number. I have entered code and I have entered number. Once you click on enter, the name of action type and the reason will automatically display. Let me show you. I'm going to click on enter. So name of your hiring action VI hiring is displayed automatically with reasons. So save this. So you have successfully configured requirements or configuration related to hiring action. This is all about configuration related to hiring action. So guys, hope you like this session, and our PA module, we have completed our PA module here. In next session, we'll start new module. We'll connect back in next session. Thank you.